my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious couscous with mixed vegetables. If you want to know how I prepare them, just keep watching. Let's get to the kitchen. In here, I have all the ingredients I need for the preparation, already washed and chopped, as you can see. For the full list of these ingredients, please check out the description box below, okay? So, without further delay, let's get started. So, I will turn on the heat and pour in 600 ml of beef stock into the pot. This beef stock is the water that I got from cooking or boiling the meat, the beef meat that I'm using, so I make use of it. To it, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Next, I'm going to add salt to taste. Here, I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then cover it, allow it to boil. Once it comes to boiling point, I'm going to turn off the heat. Then I'll pour in the 500 grams of couscous and mix them well. Don't cook the couscous. So at this point, I'm going to remove it from the heat, stir them well and make sure that all of them are being soaked with the beef stock. By so doing, the couscous will absorb all the beef stock and it will become soft and tender. Then set it aside. Now we are going to prepare the vegetable mix. In a dry clean wok pan, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. So once heated, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then to it, I'll add the chopped red onions. So I'm going to add my homemade ginger garlic paste. Then stir them well. So in here I have rosemary, Scotch bonnet and thyme, but I'm going to put in the rosemary and the thyme. Then I will saute them with the onions. Why I put them, I like to get those flavor and the taste from the thyme and rosemary. At this point, I'm going to add my beef seasoning cube to bring out the flavor and the taste we are looking for. The aroma is so inviting. So I'm going to saute these onions for about 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add the diced carrots. Stir them well. To it, I'm going to add the cooked beef meat. I cut them into small slices, as you can see. So stir them well, add the Scotch bonnet pepper. This is 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Feel free to add or reduce based on the size or the quantity you can be able to handle the heat. I will stir fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, I'm going to add the green beans and the green peas. I turn to medium heat and stir them well. Then cover them with the lid and allow them to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. On the other side, I'm going to check on the couscous. So now I'm going to check on the couscous. As you can see, the couscous has absorbed all the beef stock in it. Feel free to use your fork to separate them. Take note, you don't need to cook couscous because you'll mess up with it. It is very easy to prepare. Using your chicken stock or the beef stock will make the couscous to be rich. As you can see, they are also soft and tender. After separating them, it will make work so easy for us. Take a look at this, very soft. Now I will cover it and turn over to the vegetable. I will continue to stir fry the vegetables until the carrot is tender, as well as the green beans and green peas, for about 2 minutes. Now take a look at this. The carrot is soft, as well as the green beans and the green pea. Now I'm going to throw in the red, yellow and green bell peppers, already washed and chopped. So I will stir them. Until well distributed. I don't want to cook the pepper. I just want it to be a little bit crunchy. So this will take for about 1 minute. So now I'm going to turn in the couscous and mix it up. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it up. Yes, mix it up. I think I'm mad as kato yibota buire. Mix it up. Americana one. So, as you're listening, while we are mixing it up, allowing it to be well distributed, I will use this opportunity to thank you all for watching my video to this end. Oh my lovelies, as you can see, the food is ready to be served. Couscous is easy to prepare and it's something that you can prepare within the space of 15 minutes. You don't have much time. Take a look at this couscous. It's mixed vegetable with beef and you will enjoy it. You can add any meat, like I have the extra chicken for it. You can serve it like soup. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video to this very point. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers. You are not taken for granted. Thank you so much. If you are new here, I think this is the right time for you to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you will be aware anytime I upload a new video. God bless you richly and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.